Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to the channel here. I just got down to United Cycle with one of my friends. He's buying a machine today. We'll go inside here, see if they got it ready and everything. We're going to be picking it up and some accessories that he has for it, and maybe be doing a video of installing some of the accessories, so stay tuned for that. But let's just go in here and see if they got the machine ready. Alright guys, so we're inside here now. They don't have a whole lot. I mean, they got a few side-by-sides to sell. They got a nice Talon over there, one of the new special editions. But this is what we came for. New 2021 KRX 1000 ES. I haven't seen any of these on the trail yet. Got the Fox live valve with it. It's the electronic suspension. Got a lot of accessories coming for it. Looks pretty sharp. Like I said, we'll try to do another video of putting on all the accessories and stuff. So be sure to stay tuned for that. Alright, so here we go. Going to a new home. We'll load it up. So we finally got this thing home, and we're just going to go over some of the key features that makes this machine different than a stock KRX. So first off, it comes with a sport front bumper, and it's got it's already got the hole integrated in it for the LED light. It comes with the quick release sport roof. It's got the 2.5 Fox live valve shocks. This one also comes with the special colors and the special graphics on it. If you look inside, it comes with the TFT LCD screen. So right here you can see your backup camera, your audio, your vehicle information, all your suspension, and a few other different settings. So if we select here on like the suspension, it'll show you the gyroscope there. That's mounted at the bottom of the machine, and if we give it a good rock here, you can actually see it shifting the shocks based on that gyroscope moving. So overall, I mean, this machine, it's really nice. It's got 3-mode positioning with the damping positioning with the shocks. It's got soft, medium, and firm. That's what makes it the ES. We can't wait to get it in the woods, but we got a long way to go because we got a lot of accessories to put on it. Over here we got rock sliders, we got trailing arm guards, we got the cab seal kit to try to keep some of the dust out. We got the factory Kawasaki radio with the subwoofer. We got the LED light for the front bumper. We got the front rock slider or A-arm guards, side mirrors, a coolant kit to try to help with some of the heat in the cab, the rock blocks, fender flares, Dirt Warriors glass windshield with the wiper, and a standalone GPS unit. So just bear with us, give us some time to get everything installed. We're going to try to make a different video as we go, just touching on some of the high points of all the accessories. So just be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned.